What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is going to be a pre-poo video. So I actually was just going to go ahead and wash my hair, but then I thought, you know what, let me get on here and show them my hair. Now, you always say that you don't ever see me with a bad hair day. This is a bad hair day, okay? So my hair is very dry, and it does have some tangles in it, as you can see, and it has flaking and dusting going on. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-poo it and wash it in the morning, basically. So it's a little bit it's late. It's early evening. I'll say that. It's early evening. It's a little bit after 5. It's early evening. And I don't want to wash it tonight. I'm going to wash it in the morning. But I said I'll go ahead and pre-poo it tonight and let the pre-poo sit, or what I'm going to use as a pre-poo, sit for a while. I'm not going to use my African Pride or the Nature's Little Secret pre-poos, because to me, those are a little bit more gooey, and that one's a little bit more sticky, and I just don't want that sitting in my hair overnight and getting on my bonnet and all that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to use to pre-poo, and I'm using these things because I want to help get rid of my stash and things to be used up. I'm going to moisturize or wet my hair with As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water, which people told me to use it for this purpose. And then I am going to use some of these leave-ins or detanglers or whatever that I've had in my to be used up and on my shelf and everything. So as you saw in one of my stash videos, this is the knot sauce. It's down here, needs to be used up. This is the Product Junkie Naturals Max Hydration Leave-In Conditioner, which is almost gone. You can't see because it's sealed all the way up, but it's about right to there. I also talked about the Curl Mix Fresh Anti-Frizz Leave-In Lotion that the top broke. That was in my number 4 stash video, so it's down here. I want to go ahead and use it up. And then also the Mango Dip Detangling Slip, which I put a new top on. I talked about that in my stash video. It's down here. So I'm going to try to use these wet with this and use those for the moisture, and then I'm gonna just twist my hair up. If I run out of those 4, then I have some other stuff to be used up. I'll just pull that out as well. So I'm just gonna start and ooh, my hair is dry. Guys, work on wet hair. Uh-oh, look, it's so thick it won't even stay in the thing. So let me divide it. Yeah, so I'm just going to start, and hopefully this will help get rid of some of these products. And you guys can see that I don't always have a good hair day. I will say that this is second day hair. It's not even going to make it to third day hair. This is hair. This is a wash and go where I used the TGIN rose water, and I used less leave-in, which made my hair not as moisturized, so that's why it's dry on day 2. And I used less gel as well, which didn't, I mean, I still have some hold, but it just it's a lot frizzier than it was the first time. And even though I have definition, like my husband felt my hair and he said, "Oh, you got a lot of spring back," but he said it's dry. My husband never touches my hair and say, "Oh, your hair is dry." Even when I feel it's dry, he don't say that. This time he said my hair was dry. So that says that my hair is dry. And like I said, I was gonna wash it today, but I'm trying not to wash it so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it on day 3. And we're gonna go from there. So yeah, and it's dusting, and the first time I got flakes, this time I got flakes. So those products just aren't for me. For you, they may be for you guys. So again, you know, some people love them. think the gel is good as far as hold and everything. It's just not for me because of the flaking. So I'm gonna put this, actually this water I'm putting on my hair is actually activating the gel. Sorry, get my towel. It's actually activating the gel that's already in my hair, but because the gel is drying, I don't want to just not put anything else on top of it. So I'm gonna go ahead in with the Max Hydration Leave-In, and I'm just there's no reason I'm using this one first. I'm just pulling it and using it. And I'm gonna put it on. And try to finger detangle a little bit first. And go in with this detangling brush. And my ends still feel dry. Those ends feel dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get one of my oils that I need to use up and put it on these ends. And we're gonna grab the Tailored Beauty Grow Thick Oil. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on these ends. And I'm gonna twist this hair up to get me through tomorrow. This growth thick oil smells medicinal. So yeah, guys, that's all I'm gonna do. So you guys can just sit and watch. Hopefully you'll enjoy it.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. nowhere else to go. Maybe I need some space. Maybe I need some space.
Alright guys, so I got it all twisted up. If you notice, I changed from the Product Junkie Naturals Max Hydration to the Soultanicals Knot Sauce. And I'm just going to put the end of it on top of these. Because first I was trying to see which one I felt gave me more moisture. Which this one is creamier and thicker, so it does feel like it gives me more moisture. Plus this has slip to it because it's a detangler, so it's gone. So this still has a little bit in it, but it's thin, and I didn't feel like I was getting the moisture that I wanted out of it. So yeah. So that's pretty much it. This now feels like it's probably about halfway gone, so that's good, I guess. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, it's hard to see in the bottle too, but I think it's probably about halfway gone. So I'll continue to use this for what I did. And I didn't get a chance to use this at all. So those will go back in my to be used up. And actually I was, because I had just shampooed and clarified before using these products, the rose water products, I was just going to co-wash, which is what I would have done tomorrow or today, but because I'm going an extra day and it was just so dry, I just didn't want to wait another day to add some moisture. So, and because I added the oil on top because my ends felt so dry, I am going to go ahead and shampoo tomorrow instead of co-wash to make sure that I get the oil and everything off my hair. So, and start with a clean slate. So that's what we're going to do. So that's it, guys. I'm going to probably put a plastic cap on, put my bonnet on top of that, and then be ready for bed. But if I don't, because I'm using creams or leave-ins, it should dry pretty quickly, or at least soak in, so I don't have to really do a plastic cap by the time I actually go to sleep. My glasses are dirty, so I'll clean those. But anyway, that's it. Hair has been pre-pooed and detangled. Let me pull the hair out of the brush. So this is pretty much the amount of shed hair I lost, you know, in one day. I don't really think that that's a lot considering, but hey, I had to do something. I couldn't take it anymore, and it just felt like if I had slept on it loose like that, it was so thick that I couldn't hardly pull it back. And if I had slept on it loose like that, it would have just got more matted and more frizzy. So I wanted to moisturize it and put in some twists so when I wash it tomorrow, it's easier to detangle. Okay guys, so that is it for this pre-poo. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.